Well-designed gardens can reduce stress, lower blood pressure, and relax people. Hi, this is Diane Skates from RestoreVR Therapy that helps you to reduce stress and anxiety. Dr. Urich is perhaps the most cited and influential evidence-based healthcare designer researcher in the world. He identified two groups of people that might be suffering from high levels of stress, which were hospital patients and prisoners. From there, he started to study the effects nature's scenes have on them. The results show that well-designed gardens can reduce stress, lower blood pressure, and relax people. Also, it can expedite the recovery process, reducing the patient's length of stay in the hospital. Dr. Urich's studies results were one of the pieces of literature that we base on the RestoreVR therapy. The virtual reality portion of our method encompasses many nature scenes and sounds that helps the users reduce their stress and anxiety. They're gonna use a glass like this one. This one, I still have the label. You're gonna put this on their face and enjoy the ride. Woohoo! So if you enjoyed this video, visit our website. The link is below or on the comments on the bio. Like it, subscribe to our channel, and share with someone that might need this information. Bye-bye.